This review is of Hank's Genuine Limited Edition Caribbean Recipe Ginger Beer. And they claim that it is very low sodium and caffeine free. However, I argue that very low sodium is kind of a not really, because it has more sodium than the other brand that I just looked at. This has got 35 milligrams. No fat or cholesterol, no protein. And it's got more sugar than the other one. 37 grams of added sugars. And they're only saying natural flavor. They don't say what natural flavors. It could be from ginger, could be from something else. Got some weird stuff in there too, like food starch and ester gum and vegetable oil. I don't know. I don't get that. So, but let's give it a try. Plenty of carbonation. Bit spicy, a little bit spicy, just like ginger should be. However, it's very mild, like a ginger ale, which to me is kind of disappointing. Yeah, it's okay, but it definitely, in my mind, is not really a ginger beer. It's ginger ale for me. The spiciness, of course, helps, but still, I wanted a stronger ginger flavor, you know? So I'll give this a 6. And I'm really disappointed because they have some really good root beer. The diet root beer, anyways. I haven't tried the regular one yet, but their diet root beer is really, really good. And so this is a disappointment to me. Oh well. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.